All right, welcome. This is week 17 homework solution. Here we have Thursday, December 5th. 1, 2, 3. Yes, I'm still sick. All right. Number 1, write the best description for the data association in each plot for among the options. You have weak negative, and strong positive. Okay. Please understand when it comes to association, what they're referring to here is the word. Here, do I have the word? Nope. What they're referring to here when they're saying association is they're looking for, we use the word relationship. Okay. So which one has that? So this one, is this positive or negative? It looks like it's positive, right? It's going up, and it looks like it is fairly weak. So we would say this one has a weak because it's all spread apart. Weak, positive association. Why? The weak says it is spread apart. Positive means it's going up, and we use the word association. Okay. Next one. Ooh, it's going down. First of all, we would use some words. First of all, is it strong or weak? Wow, it's close together, so we would say it is strong because it's close together. It's going down, so we would say it's negative, and then we would say association. Okay. Lastly, we would say this one. Ooh, it's all close together. So here we would say strong, and it looks like it's going up. So we would say it's positive, and then we use the word association. So there you go. It's a strong positive association. Okay. All right. So here it says that a strong association would appear more linear than a weak association. Let's see if that's true. Here we have a strong association for C and a weak association. Which one will appear more linear? C looks like it appears more linear. It looks like more of a line, and that is when it is strong. So we would say that is true. Okay. The best method to draw a line of best fit is to make it so that half of the points are above the line and half are below the line. This is true, right? It's a weak definition, but this is actually one of the definitions, okay? You want to make sure that it's right in the middle, okay? Next, the data set with all the points over has no association. When the points are all over the place, it has no solution, has no relationship. Yes, that is by definition. So that is true. The best method to draw a line of best fit is to make it so that it passes through as many points. That is also true. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So they're all true in this case. All right. And the last one. Okay. Study the two scatter plots. Describe the relationship between the two variables represented in the scatter plot. Well, the first thing we would say if it's weak or strong. This is all close together, so we would say here that scatter plot number 1 is a weak, and it looks like it's going up or down. It goes down, so we would say it's a weak negative association. Okay. And then the next one. Oh, I'm sorry. That's wrong. It's close together. So that is, sorry, that is, the numbers are, the data points are close together. So that should be strong. And it's going down. So it's negative. And we say association. So it has a strong negative association. Then, lastly, scatter plot. Messing up here. So scatter plot number 1 has a strong negative association. Good. And I'll make this blue. And we could look at scatter plot Number 2 has the points are all scattered, so you would say it's weak. It's going down, so we would say it's negative, and we use the word association, and we would say scatter plot 2 has a weak negative association. So there you go. Okay, the hard part is number 2. It uses a lot of vocab and core concepts of the line of best fit and associations. Okay, all right. So there you go. If you have any questions, please let me know. And but those are all your homework solutions.